Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can host Angular project to the cPanel. So here you can see this is my Angular project and I want to host this project to the cPanel. And how can you do it? That is really simple. First of all, you need to go to your Angular project. For my case, it is this one. Here you can see this is my Angular project. So in the project directory, you need to write about here cmd, then press enter. So it will open a command prompt and here you can see we are in the project directory. So here first of all we need to ready our Angular project for the production. So for it we need to serve here ng build dash dash configuration. Then we need to serve here production. So this command will make our project ready for the production and it will also create a folder over here. We just need to press enter. And it will take some time to build a project. It will depend on your project size. So right now I will just fast forward the video. And here you can see it created a folder over here called dist. Previously this folder was not over here. For some people it may create a folder called www. So right now here you can see it created a folder called dist. So we need to zip this folder. So I'm just going to right click here. Then click here show more option, then click here send to compressed zip folder and it will zip our folder. Here you can see dist.zip. After that we need to log in to our cPanel. So after going to the cPanel you need to go to the file manager option. Here you can see file manager, click here. Then here you need to go to the public underscore HTML folder. Okay, let me just show you on the beginning. Here you will see a folder called public underscore HTML. So you need to click here and there you can see this folder is empty. So here we need to upload our project. So here you can see upload option. Just click on upload and it will show you something like this. So we need to click here, select file. Then I'm going to go to my local disk G. Here you can see Angular projects and over here you can see we have the zip folder dist.zip. Just select this, then click on open and it will be uploaded over here. So again I will just fast forward the video and there you can see the upload is complete. So right now let's go to this location public underscore HTML and here you can see we have the dist.zip folder over here or file over here. So first of all, we need to unzip this. So we need to right click here, then click on extract and then click on extract files. And there you can see it is done. So now we need to go inside this dist folder. Here you can see we have one more folder, assignment. Let's go inside. So here you can see we have one more folder called browser. Let's go inside again. And here you can see we have the index.html. And some files and folder over here. So you need to go to the location where you have index.html. Then you need to select all the files and folder from here. Then we need to click here move and we need to move it directly to the public underscore HTML. So click on move files and it is done. So let's go up on level. Okay, let's just click on home and public underscore HTML and here you can see we have everything moved to directly to the public underscore HTML. So right now, if we just go to our domain and our domain name is this one, unipixel.com. So if we just go to our domain, here you can see our Angular project is now live. So this is how you can post your Angular project on cPanel. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.